Hello everyone, we are reading chapter 2 as a revision. And last class we have revised increasing and decreasing order, and today we will revise comparison of number. Means we compared a number to find out less than, greater than or equal to by using a symbol. Okay, so this is the symbol of less than, you know na, symbol of less than, and this is the symbol of greater than, and this is the symbol of equal to. So how we can use this symbol? So first of all, you think that this is a alligator. Okay, what is this? This is an alligator. Okay, this is alligator, and this is also a alligator. Okay, these two are alligator. So alligator always love to eat big thing. Okay, and he don't like a small thing. Clear? So this alligator love to eat big thing. Means the alligator always open his mouth towards the big thing, or we can say towards the big number. Suppose this is an small apple and this is an big apple. So alligator love to which one? Yes, greater, the bigger one. So he loves to eat the bigger apple. That is why the mouth is always open towards the bigger thing. Clear, student? So let's take one more. Now suppose this is a bigger apple and this is a smaller apple. So now which one this alligator will eat? Yes, the bigger one. That means the mouth is open towards a big apple. Means this alligator love to eat big apple. So this symbol is what symbol? Less than symbol. And this symbol is what symbol? Greater than. Why this is? Because we are reading from left to right. So small apple and big apple. So S is smaller than B. Yes or no? S is smaller than B, and here B is greater than S. So this is smaller because we are reading from left to right. Here also left to right. So S is smaller than B and B is greater than S. Clear, student? So now let's take few numbers. 2, 4. So which number alligator love to eat? Yes, the bigger one. So always keep in mind that the mouth is open towards an big number. 6, 4. So this symbol. Why? Because 6 is greater and the mouth should be open towards greater number. Clear, student? Suppose 19, 20. So this. Why? Because 20 is greater. So 19 less than 20. 19 is less than 20. So this is less than symbol. Keep it in mind that always the open mouth shows the greater number. Suppose 12 and 12. Now which symbol? Equal to, because these two are equal. Clear? So these two are equal. That is why I use what? Equal to sign. Clear, student? Good. So let's take few more examples. Tell me. Okay? So see. First you see this number. What is this? 7. And what is this? What is this? 4. So which one is greater? 7 or 4? Yes. So which sign you will use? Greater than sign. Why? Because we are reading from left to right. That is 7 is greater than 4. And the open mouth always shows the big number, and closed mouth always shows the small number. Clear? So now here, which sign? This? No, this is wrong. We will use this symbol. Why? Because 9 is greater. So we will use smaller than sign. 8 is smaller than 9. Clear? And here 2 and 12. Which one is bigger? Yes. See here? Greater than sign. And then the open mouth always shows what? Yes, greater number. Here also same. Here equal to, because this also 17, this also 17. So equal to symbol. Here, yes, smaller than sign. And here greater than sign. Clear, student? Good. So let's do. Okay. So the question is put the correct sign. We have to use this sign. Okay. So what is this? Greater than. What is this? Smaller than. What is this? Equal to. So let's use this sign. And we know that the open mouth always shows what? Bigger number. And the closed mouth always shows what? Smaller number. Okay. So let's do it. So what is this? 2. And what is this? 3. So which symbol we will use? Yes, this one. Why? Because the open mouth always shows the greater number. So 3 is bigger than 2. So how we will read? 2 less than 3. Okay. Now here, see nicely. Here also same, because the 9 is bigger than 7. So how we will read? 7 less than 9. Okay. Now here 6 and 4. Which one? Yes, greater than. 6 greater than 4. Clear? Now here 18, 12. Which one? Yes, the open mouth towards 18. Why? Because 18 is greater than 12. So how we will read? 18 greater than 12. Now see here 14, 14. So what sign we will use? Yes, equal to sign. Because these two numbers are same. Now number F. 19 and 20. Which one is greater? Yes, the open mouth towards 20. Because 20 is greater than 19. So how we will read? 19 less than 20. Clear, student? So practice it nicely at home. Okay? Thank you everyone.